Okay, so the consistency is what it is right now. I continue to stir, and it's just smooth. See that? Just nice and smooth. Yeah, just keep stirring it. You just give it a little stir. And what I did was, I have a cup of sugar here. Some people use condensed milk. I use sugar. So what I do, I would sprinkle a little. That should be. And then I would stir it in. Yeah. And that's the cinnamon stick. And that's how thin it is. Nice and beautiful. See? Beautiful.